Hey, now that this coffee's starting to kick in, how about we go for a bike ride? Now, I'm usually out on the Greenway 5 to 6 days a week. I love it out there. It's over 300 acres of park-like setting. If you'd like even more than that, you can ride across the street into Fort Clinch where you have over 1,400 acres more. Let's go check it out. I'll show you some of the trails, some of the wildlife, and show you some of the wildlife that we've seen in the past as well. Hope you enjoy it.